That sounds terrible. That just sounds awful. It's just mangled. Yeah, so actually, the I asked about this on the SIDKick discussion area, and the owner of the project came back and pretty quickly and gave me an answer that it was probably the bus timing. And so I dropped the bus timings from, I think they're 15 and 11 by default. I dropped it down to 13 and 9. Okay, so we'll run the patch with the firmware that I'm using, and then the 2 bus timings. And yeah, so I'll put a new firmware file that I'll just copy to my Pico, and we'll try that. And we're done. I'll just get that back in there and start it right up. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, gives me chills. It sounds good. Love that 8580 bass. Yeah, wow. Wow. I'm impressed. SIDKick, it just sounds amazing. What a cool project. Man, I was a little worried in the beginning, but yeah, it's amazing. Super happy with this. Great job, guys. Great job.